Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, just jumping right here, and on this video I am going to bring to you guys a review on some Briogeo products that I am currently loving. In my hair now, I am putting in the Curl Charisma leave-in and using my regular method that you guys can find in my previous video, just raking through my hair. And this is on freshly washed hair that I used the Briogeo Superfood conditioner and shampoo. So what I like to do is I don't section off my hair, but as you can see, I'm like making ridiculous face. The back of my hair I didn't have done, but those curls were really popping, and that's without any product in it. So just keep raking it through my hair and making sure that each section, or everything don't go by sections, I really just like to say each hair strand or curl is done right. You can see the right to the left, what a big difference. And then now that's me all finished and wrapped up with just that one product right here, the Curl Charisma Defining Cream. Not the leave-in conditioner, sorry. And then I go in with the Curl Charisma Coiling Custard. And I do my leave-in / styling cream. And then the custard type pudding, so that way it can hold into it. So that way I can get a longer lasting style. If I just do the one product, my hair will, by the time day 2 comes, my hair will have absorbed it and I'll be super frizzy, where with this kind of combats anything like weather, humidity, and things like that, so I won't have to really worry about that too much. So then I just do the same thing, go back over everything I just did and rake it over. And at this time, I'm already detangled and a lot smoother and sleek. I just like to really make sure I'm going through, especially on my ends, getting those curls to pop and making sure, because the crown of what I'm working on now, that area seems to be the most frizzy all the time. So I try to focus a lot of the time on there. And then my undercurls, because you know when you wash your hair with the water hitting it up top, the undercurls usually are the most poppin'. So this section right here is the one that's like the problem child. So I like to really make sure that I'm getting a lot of product on there. Even if I'm not, like, I just throw it on. Try to throw it on every time I even put in that section. And then by the time I get to raking there, it'll be thoroughly saturated. So I just go through and rake through everything. And I can be honest, I'm not super defined, like super nitpicky with this as much as I am with the first product, because I want the first product all over everything. This part, I do want it on everything, but I don't go as like in depth and as long as I do with the first product, raking through sections. And I like to just hit the middle part in the front the most, because I don't like the center line to show. And I'll just keep fluffing my hair, trying to see if there's any areas. This is kind of what they do at Diva Curl, but usually by this point you're dry. I'm still damp at this point, but I'm not dripping wet like I would when I first start out. So I just go through looking for any areas that may need to be done over again, redefine, maybe for me to rake through some more. Usually play with the front a lot because it just doesn't always fall the way I want it to. And because, again, of the pressure of the water in the shower, it does, sometimes I forget to flip my hair over and wash my hair the opposite direction, so I kind of have to manipulate it sometimes a little bit more. So just going through my hair and just fluffing it all out, hitting my bow a couple of times, and then just letting it set. Okay guys, so this is my finished results. I used the shampoo and conditioner. This is the Be Gentle, Be Kind shampoo and conditioner from Briogeo. This was bomb. Like, together these are bomb. At first I was a little skeptical about the shampoo. Even with the shampoo in my hair, I was detangling. And then when I put the conditioner on, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It was just amazing. And I definitely recommend this. You can't buy this system at Sephora anymore, from what I was told. You actually have to get it online to get the bundle, or else you just have to buy them separately. So you save a couple coins on this, but this was phenomenal. Like, I'm not big on shampoo and conditioners. I'm more so conditioners, but like more so the styling products. I always tell you guys, I want my shampoo, if I do use it, to do as much as my conditioner, and I think that this did that. And together, at first I was like a little skeptical when I was raking the conditioner through my hair, but as soon as it touched my hair, it was amazing. Like, it was soft. Like the clip that you saw, I had no product in my hair. I was straight out the shower, and it was soft. Even now it's soft, and it dried quickly. Super quickly. You see that there was a lot of white stuff in it, but that's always what happens when I put on my leave-in and then my styling products. You just gotta let it dry down, but amazing. Definitely recommend this. And then the next two things that I have, which I actually use to style my hair, which because this brand is 6 free, and if you don't know what that means, they're free of the 6 most harmful ingredients that most products do have: sulfates, parabens, DEAs, what else, silicones, and phthalates. And now this here we have is the Curl Charisma. I was like, Curl Cashmere. No, Curl Charisma. So I used the leave-in conditioner first. This was with rice aminos and avocado leave-in cream. Really nice, really light, which you would expect from a leave-in conditioner. So I really like this. Really awesome. And then you have the curling custard. Now these are like big heavy hitter superfood ingredients like avocado, flaxseed, chia seeds. And this is the coil custard. So both of these bomb together. I use them, set it so that way it can lock in the moisturizer, and lock it with this so that way we don't get any extra frizzies and we can combat the humidity for the day. Both of these are amazing. I finally found something that is just as good as my curly custard from Miss Jessie and my coils by Nature. So this, and it's from the same brand. This is awesome. I got these both from Sephora. So right now that is like, this whole system might be my #1. The Coils by Nature and the curling custard from Miss Jessie's is definitely #2, but I don't have a, like, I can use any shampoo and conditioner for that. There's not like this is a whole brand that I'm giving to you, like, bam. Usually, like, there's 1 or 2 things, like from Miss Jessie's, the curling pudding is the only thing that I really like. I tried the deep conditioner a long time ago, but it just gave me a headache. The smell gave me a headache, and now I have a whole brand, black owned brand, that is amazing, and I think you guys should definitely try. I showed you a little bit of it in the clip, but here's a little bit of the consistency. Like, it's very, very light for the leave-in. And then for the curl custard, it's a lot thicker. Like, a lot thicker. There. And I used, like, whatever was on the top of this and a couple, like, scoops, not even scoops, like, dabs more for all of my hair, and this was amazing. So I definitely highly recommend this. If you guys haven't tried this brand already, you need to give them a look. They're #1 at Sephora. They're on Sephora's clean list, so that means like they're like 96% natural. I believe the brand is 96% natural, and the Sephora clean list means that they've gone through and verified that are in the ingredients, and they're approved by Sephora. I guess it's kind of like their stamp of approval. And the entire collection altogether, I totally recommend. For curly hair, now I've only had curly hair, so I can't recommend anything else for you, but I think that for as far as the conditioner and shampoo, anybody can use this. It'll leave you very nourished and soft and give you that boost that you didn't even know that you were going to get or expecting. So definitely think this. And then for my curly people, definitely give this a try and let me know what you think. That's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below on how you like my curls. And thank you so much for even getting this far, like to the end. So big thumbs up all around for you. And be sure to subscribe and hit that bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Yo, look, hey yo, I open my eyes, the sunrise, right atop my cranium, stress weigh the body like uranium, what's the verbatim, every day like deja vu, only fear is I start to get comfortable, not wanna be typical, climb my way to the pinnacle, while I'm alive in my physical, yo, and money soon